Ciara, what are you doing? Go show me your bed. Go show Mommy the bed. Where's your bed? Why'd you do that? Ciara, what is that? What is it? Are you supposed to have that? No. Give it to Mom. You're going to get in trouble. Ciara, show me your bed. Where is your bed? Get on your bed. Show me your stuffed animals. Show me. Where are they? Those are toys. Where's your stuffed animals? Where's your baby? Where? Where's Tigger? Go get Tigger. Go get Tigger. You silly girl. Who is that? Uh-oh. Where's Pooh Bear? Why'd you throw him? You silly baby. Uh-oh. What is that? Tigger? What? What are you doing? What? What's that? Outside? Are you trouble? You trouble? Yeah? Kitty, say soda. Say it again. Say soda. You're silly. What is that? A pin? Yeah? Pen? What do you do with the pen? Do you write on walls? No, that girl, huh? Benji's where? Where did he go? In 52? Yeah, where'd they go? Huh? To the park? What's that? Is that your little house? Yeah? What are you doing? What is it? Where's Kitty? Where is she? Where's Axel? Say Axel. Say Axel, Kitty. What? Axel? Did you break it? Yeah? You want Mommy to fix it? Yeah? Yeah, fix. Say bye-bye. Say love you. Say thank you. Kitty, give me a kiss. Aw, say bye.